Welcome to Foxify Tutorials by FoxEcom. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to create a Shopify page, save it as a template, and reuse it for future projects with Foxify's Smart Visual Builder. Let's get started. First, let's create a new page using Foxify. In the dashboard, simply click Create Page. With Foxify, you can create various types of pages, including home pages, product pages, collection pages, regular pages, and blog posts. Once you've selected the page type that fits your needs, you can either start with our pre-made templates or begin with a blank page to build from scratch. In this tutorial, we'll go with a pre-made template for a quick start. You'll be prompted to give your page a name, something unique, but you can always change it later. Next, select your preferred layout. Then, click Save and Create to proceed to the editor where the magic happens. Here, you can use a pre-designed section for a quick start. Add hover effect to your elements, like buttons, to make them more engaging. Brighten up your sections by selecting a vibrant background color. Use Stack feature to ensure the elements stay in order. Apply constraints to maintain a consistent position for elements, even as screen sizes change. Once you've created your perfect page, navigate to the top right section of the page editor and hit Save. Then open More Options and select Save as Template. To access and use your design as a saved template, create a new page and select the desired saved template from the list. You can create custom templates for any page type, making it easy to save time and maintain brand consistency across your site. That's all for now. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out the resources linked in the description below or reach out to us via our in-app live chat. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, tips, and updates. Thanks for watching.